Hello, thanks for joining us. Happy holidays before I forget everybody. Hope you have a good Thanksgiving, good Christmas. Today I'm doing a video for Creality. They are having their Black Friday sale going. This is their Falcon2 22 watt. It has got a built-in webcam, self-contained unit, fan, safety shields, LED light. It's got a magnetic catch on it. If you open the door with it running, it pauses the system. And we're going to use it to engrave a slate snack tray. This one says, if you could read this, snacks are gone, time to go home. We're going to make another one of them. I've got the file open here in Lightburn. For some odd reason it's telling me it's going to take a very long time, and I don't think that's right. But here we go. Here's the file. If you want to use the camera, I haven't gone and adjusted the camera or anything like that, but there's the camera. And here we go. So I've got it set to fill. 6,000 millimeters per minute, 65% power. And we're going to get her started. Fan came on, air pump came on, and she's running. So check back in a moment and we'll see what it looks like. So while this is running here, I wanted to discuss a little bit or talk a little bit about it. This is a very well built machine. Plenty of power for what most people are going to do. It's a 400 by 415 work area. Like I said, it's got LED lights in it, it's got a camera in it, and it does very well with what I've done with it so far. It hasn't given me any issues. When I started this, I said it looked like it was going to take an unreasonable amount of time. I couldn't figure out why. I took a quick look at it and I realized I had forgot it. It was set for 4 passes instead of 1. I don't know why it was set for 4 passes, but it's fixed. And that was my error. We're about a third of the way through now. It's been about 20 minutes. But I think if you pick one of these up, or any of the Creality products, you'll be very happy. They're very well made. Like I said, this one they got for 22, 40, and 60 watt. They all have a Black Friday special going on them. Links for all of it will be below. Check them out. Pick up what you need. You can't go wrong. At the speed I've got it set at, this took about an hour to do. You could speed it up once you feel comfortable. You like the rate and the results. I find that if you get going too fast, sometimes the laser doesn't give you the burn you really want. And we're getting close. And we are done. So let me come around here. You see, as I opened up the cover, everything's shut down. Wipe it down with a damp rag. Quick coat of satin clear on it to seal it so anything you put on it doesn't try to absorb into it. And we're good to go. So, Creality Falcon2 Pro Black Friday special. Check it out. If you're really interested in the laser engravers, this is an excellent one to work with. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.